G'day guys, Brett here from Patrol Hub. Got mate Braden here with me today on our GU Patrol build, and we're going to be installing a roof rack.
Wedgetail, I haven't heard of these guys before.
Been looking around the last few months as to what we can put on the Patrol, and we come across Wedgetail just on the internet, searching around, and we found some pretty good things about them.
Sounds good, I reckon we should get into it.
I reckon, let's put it together.
Let's unbox it. What made you choose these guys?
Oh look mate, when I was looking for them, I come across that the load rating was the full load rating of the vehicle, so yeah, we need that for off-road use especially. It just means we can put a heap of stuff on the roof. And
is it the same on-road and off-road?
Yeah, it is. Take it off-road, and yeah, it keeps its full setting, so yeah, it's quite effective in its build.
That looks really good.
Yeah, she's solid.
Let's get it unwrapped a bit more and
So Braden, we've pulled it all out. It's all come out of the two boxes that it comes with.
Yep.
We found that the whole roof rack itself is solid one piece already, and then the second box just has all our auxiliary pieces. Rubber trims, wind flap at the front, and then all our instructions and bolts.
And I guess these is what mounts into the vehicle.
Yeah, so they will sit in the gutters of the vehicle. All right, Braden, so we've unpacked it and we found these gutter rails in there.
Yep.
We've got 4 mounts on each one, utilising the whole roof for the whole weight dispersion.
It is good weight dispersion.
Yeah, I reckon we get it all together and get the rails on the roof and bolt it on. And
perfect, let's do it.
We've done this before, haven't we? So I got the instructions here, Braden, and she looks pretty easy to put together.
What's the first step?
First step, geez, we've got to get some rubber stripping going.
That looks like that.
Rubber strip. All right, we'll start laying it out on the rail. So we'll just feed this rubber channel on the bottom of this rail.
Yep.
That'll at least protect the paintwork in the gutter. Doesn't help that it's cold.
No.
Geez, I make it look easy, don't I?
I think you've done very well. There's some scissors here. You can give that a nip. Perfect.
You can do the other side.
Okay.
Got that sorted. That'll protect the paintwork. Yep, and we'll just put these nuts through.
Need to lower your car a bit.
Yeah. All right, Braden, so you've done all the nuts up there. Cool, you've nutted all them.
So that one's fallen out.
Here's another bracket.
Perfect.
Beautiful. Get the other side sorted.
I like how the bolts have the built-in washers and spring washers, Brett.
Yeah, they're great, aren't they? It means you're not dropping bolts and washers and spring washers everywhere.
Yeah.
Just all together.
Much quicker.
Makes it quite simple, doesn't it? Done. All right, we're going to the next step. So we've got the wind deflector here, Braden. We're
yep, let's get that mounted on the front.
Get that mounted on the front there. A couple of washers, a couple of lock nuts.
13 mil?
13 mil this time. I'll do the old 14 mil trick again.
I told him it was a 13, but he didn't listen to me.
Sits in there pretty well, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks good.
Lines up pretty easy.
I think the other thing is if you were running a light bar, you've already got holes pre-drilled.
Bolt them straight on. And at least hopefully now this will stop that wind noise getting under the rack and causing any whistling noise and all that annoyance while you've got roof racks.
That whistling noise could have drowned out the kids.
Yeah. So these teeth here, I really like it how they cut into the alloy on the rail. So
yeah, they just take a bit of finesse to get them in correctly and to lock in, hey?
Yeah.
That's nice.
All right guys, we're at our final stages now. The rack's on the roof. Just got a few bolts to tighten up now. The platform sits on the rails quite nicely. Actually gives the top of the Patrol a really nice finish.
Very sleek.
It is, isn't it?
Let's tighten up these last few bolts and we're done. And just like that, we're done, Brett. So what do you think of the final product?
Amazing, mate. It's actually turned out quite well. Sits well, ties in well to the top of the car, low profile. Yeah, it does everything I need to do.
It looks good. The black ties in with the rest of the car.
Yeah.
And it just sits well in between.
Yeah, and it's only taken just under an hour to get installed, especially the two blokes.
You definitely want two people.
Definitely two people. And yeah, it's quite easy.